Hello and greetings from Percentiles. My name is Mayank Raj Singh and you are watching the 100 LRDI Challenge CAT 2020 video number 39. The name of the set is Airport Terminals. So in the next slide, I'll show you the information of the set. While you read it, I would also like to tell you that if you want to receive these sets in the PDF format so that you can make a good collection and so that you can try those sets before the launch of the video, then please join our very active WhatsApp group, the link of which is mentioned in the bio of the video on YouTube. So you must have read this is the only information for the set. I would like to just emphasize on a couple of things. These 3 points that between Mantu and Sindh, there are exactly 2 stops. So it is like M dash dash S in any order. Okay. Immediately before Barangal, the aeroplane stops at Khurshi. So it could be in the onward journey or the return journey. Okay. So maybe Barangal is immediately after Khurshi or before Khurshi while going or coming back. So I am going to write it like this: B and KHR Khurshi in some order. So Barangal के पहले खुर्शी पड़ेगा, वो 1 to 7 जाने के टाइम भी हो सकता है और 7 से 1 आने के टाइम भी हो सकता है. And Kangi is not one of the terminal stops. So we'll keep these things in the mind. And directly after this, there are 3 questions based on this, and there is a 4th question which is not printed, but I have to ask you guys. So let's start with the first one. So in case stop number 4 is at Khajuraho, so I am going to write Khajuraho as a stop number 4 for all the possible cases. Okay, and we already know between Mantu and Sindh there are going to be 2. Okay, what has been asked? Which among the following must be true? Okay, so we need to make all the possible arrangements. So we know that this Mantu and Sindh, this entire arrangement cannot be on one side of Khajuraho because they need 4 consecutive places. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there are only 3 on either sides of Khajuraho. So one thing is for sure, one of Mantu and Sindh is going to be on the left of Khajuraho and one on the right of Khajuraho. Okay. So it could be stop 2 and 5. It could be stop 3 and 6. So let us see what else happens if Mantu and Sindh are at stops 2 and 5 or if stops 3 and 6. So we also know that Barangal and Khurshi are supposed to be at consecutive places. So if I have to put Barangal and Khurshi, in the first case I have to put them over here, okay, and in the second case I have to put them over here in some order. It is either Barangal at stop 1 and Khurshi at stop 2 or vice versa, similarly at 6 and 7. Okay, so in either case Kangi cannot be the terminal stop, so Kangi has to come here. So the remaining stop Thansu has to come here. Okay, so these are the possibilities. So either Kangi is stop number 3 or stop number 5. Thansu is either stop number 1 or stop number 7. Anything else is not possible. Barangal could be stop number 1, 2, 6 or 7. So let us see what is given in the options to us. So either Khurshi or Barangal is one of the terminal stops, which I think is absolutely right, because you see either stops 6 and 7 have been taken by Barangal and Khurshi or stops 1 and 2 have been taken by Barangal and Khurshi. So I think this is absolutely right. This must be true. So we have got our answer anyway, but still for your understanding, deeper understanding, we'll look at the other statements also. So Kangi must be stop number 3. So Kangi could be stop number 3, not must be. Therefore, we have to let it go. Third, Mantu must be one of the terminal stops, which is absolutely false because it must not be. If Mantu is one of the terminal stops, then the other one, that is Sindh, has to be stop number 4, which is not even possible. So Mantu cannot be. So 3 cannot be there. Therefore 1 and 3 obviously cannot be there. So first option becomes the answer to first question. Let us move ahead. Next question. Okay, so this question tells us that Thansu is at stop number 2. If Thansu is at stop number 2, so we have placed Thansu at stop number 2. What else have we been asked? Which among the following cannot be the Khurshi airport? So what else do we already know? We know that between Mantu and Sindh there are 2 stops. We also know that Barangal and Khurshi, they are going to be adjacent to each other, and we know that Kangi cannot be one of the. Okay, so Thansu is going to be stop number 2 no matter what. So let us see what else can happen. So if Thansu is stop number 2 and I have to place Mantu and Sindh, so I'm going to place them like this or like this or like this. So Mantu and Sindh I have placed in 3 ways. What else? I have to place Bangar and Khurshi. So in the first case, Bangar and Khurshi can be stop number 5, 6 or 6, 5. So I have to write them like this: Bangar and Khurshi, and also like this, while Mantu and Sindh. So case 1 and 4 are actually extensions of each other. What else? Kangi cannot be stop number 7, so Kangi has to be stop number 3 here, and Khajuraho then has to be stop number 7. So case 1 is complete. In the second case, there is only one place for Bangar and Khurshi, which is over here, and if I place Bangar and Khurshi in stop number 4 and 5, I will be forced to place Kangi in one of the terminal stops. So case 2 is discarded. It is against one of the information points given. Similarly here, there is only one place for Bangar, for Barangal and Khurshi, which is stop number 5 and 6, and here I am forced to place Kangi at stop number 3. So the other Khajuraho has to be at stop number 1. Here in case number 4, I can place Kangi at place number 3 also and at place number 5 also, in which case Khajuraho will come at the remaining places. Alright, so for this question we have 4 cases final. Second one is case number 3, then we have 4, and then we have 5. So these are the cases according to which we have to answer the question. So now the question is, which of the following cannot be Khurshi Airport? So Khurshi Airport could be stop number 5, stop number 6. So stop number 5 cannot be our answer. Khurshi can also be stop number 6 and 7. So in all the possible arrangements we have seen that stop number 3 and 4 has been always taken by Kangi or Khajuraho or Mantu or Sindh. So I think stop number 3 and 4 both can never be, any one of them can never be the Khurshi Airport. So I think fourth option becomes our answer. It's both stop 3 and stop 4. We cannot choose any one of them. I hope I'm making sense in this. Third question, after leaving the terminal stop during the return journey, the third place where the aeroplane stopped is the Kangi Airport. Okay, so after leaving the terminal stop, that is after stop number 7, we have to count 1 2 3. So Kangi has to be stop number 4 for this present question. So I have placed Kangi unconditionally at stop number 4. The other two things we already know, that between Mantu and Sindh there are 2 stops to be placed, and Barangal and Khurshi are going to be adjacent stops. Okay, so clearly Mantu and Sindh cannot be at stop number 1 or 7, so they have to be either 2 5 or 3 6. So we are going to take Mantu and Sindh as stop number 2 and 5. So clearly Barangal and Khurshi have to be at stops number 6 and 7. Therefore Thansu and Khajuraho have to be stops number 1 and 3. So for Thansu, there is stop number 1 possible, stop number 3 possible for this case. Okay, now if Mantu and Sindh are at stops 3 and 6, then Bangar, then Barangal and Khurshi have to be at stops 1 and 2, and for that matter Thansu and Khajuraho have to be at stops 5 and 7. So stop 5, stop 7, and there is nothing else that you could do. You have started with Mantu and Sindh, which were possible only 2 5 or 3 6. You have placed at both the places. Barangal and Khurshi had only one pair possible, so you placed them accordingly, and you found that Thansu and Khajuraho both interchangeably can be placed at stops 1 and 3 or at stops 5 and 7. So there are 4 possibilities for Thansu Airport to be placed with the given condition. So before I end this video, I have 2 things to tell you. In fact, one to ask you and one to tell you. What I have to ask you is the optional 4th question, which is not officially asked in this set, but I am asking you. You can give me the answer in the comment section and we will tell you over there whether you are right or not. So my question is that you saw that in each of these 3 questions, there was an extra information given from the question side. My question is, if there was no extra information absolutely, if we only had information which was given in the first slide of the question and no extra information, then how many cases, how many arrangements could you have made with those 3 pieces of information? So write your answer in the comment section and I'll tell you over there if it is right or not. And the second thing is, guys, thank you for so much love and support that you have been showing us in the form of your subscriptions and comments and likes and views. And please keep supporting us, and please do subscribe to our channel if you really like our efforts and if you really like our way of presentation. To do that, all you have to do is click on the link which is showing right on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mayank Raj Singh signing off. Take care. See you soon.